As companies extend their business and customer base, the number of branch offices increases around the globe. Although this trend helps in the growth process of the organizations, it poses challenges with regards to accessibility. Branch offices are often connected to the enterprise with slow bandwidth links. When employees in the branch offices try to access corporate data, their productivity is adversely affected by the network bandwidth limitations and delays in terms of application response time. Attempts to improve the network performance become expensive and hard to implement. Branchcache in Windows 7 can help an enterprise reduce bandwidth utilization and increase responsiveness when accessing documents, web pages, and videos stored on file servers and intranet sites running on Windows Server 2008 R2. It facilitates quick access by caching data in the branch office. This results in a user experience that is more like getting data from the local area network. In this demo, the computers in the branch office are connected to the server through a network emulator, limiting the connection bandwidth to 512 kilobytes. Alex and Michelle are employees of the Litware Inc. branch office, which is located at Redmond. When Alex walks into the office, he starts the day by accessing his team's website. He immediately realizes that the graphics on the website take a long time to load on his computer. When Alex tries to download the sales order form, hosted on the main office server, to his computer, it takes a while for the file to download. What he does not realize is that the IT department has enabled Branchcache, and as the file downloads on his computer, behind the scenes, Branchcache caches a copy of the content requested from the corporate intranet site or the file server. It takes 28 seconds for the 1.76 megabyte file to download onto the computer. Later in the morning, when Michelle arrives at the branch office, she enjoys the benefits of Branchcache. She accesses the team website with ease, and the graphics load without delay. When Michelle requests the sales order form, the file is served from the local cache rather than being downloaded again across the WAN. She can access the content without waiting. Before serving a file from the cache, Branchcache checks to make sure that Michelle is allowed to access the data and verifies that the cached file is still identical to the one hosted at the main office. To implement Branchcache, you need to install Windows Server 2008 R2 on the remote file servers, web servers, and optionally the branch office server on which the cache is hosted. Branchcache supports common protocols such as HTTP, HTTPS, and SMB. Applications that use SMB and HTTP interfaces in the Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008 R2 operating systems automatically benefit from Branchcache. Examples of these applications include SharePoint 12, Windows Media Player, Internet Explorer, Flash, Silverlight, Windows Explorer, RoboCopy, and CopyFile. Branchcache also supports network security protocols such as SSL and IPsec. Therefore, it maintains the integrity of information in transit. Depending on where the cache is stored, Branchcache can operate in one of two modes, distributed or hosted. In the distributed cache mode, content is cached on the computer of the requesting users. Copies of these files are sent to other Windows 7 clients as and when they are requested. In this configuration, improving performance is as easy as enabling Branchcache on the Windows 7 computers and on Windows 7 2008 R2 servers at the headquarters. In the hosted cache mode, files are cached and retrieved from a server running Windows Server 2008 R2 in the branch office. This configuration provides more reliability and availability. In this way, Branchcache in Windows 7 Enterprise and Windows Server 2008 R2 helps users in branch offices quickly connect to the information they need to be productive, while reducing the load on the WAN to help keep businesses running smoothly.